Hey smart shoppers, welcome back to Buy Smart, where we help you make the best buying decisions without breaking the bank. Today, we have a clash of the titans. On the left, we have the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G, aka S21. And on the right, the newer, shinier Samsung Galaxy S22, aka S22. Buckle up because things are about to get spicy. Let's start with the price. The S21 is going for a wallet-friendly $249, while the S22 will set you back a cool $379. That's a $130 difference, folks. Reviewers often praise the S21 for being a great value for money, especially when bought renewed. On the other hand, the S22 is seen as a premium option that justifies its higher price with advanced features and cutting-edge technology. Now, let's talk about those screens. The S21 boasts a 6.2 inches AMOLED display with 120 Hz refresh rate and 1300 nits of brightness. Reviewers love its vibrant display, calling it like new, even in renewed condition. On the other hand, the S22 flaunts a slightly smaller 6.1 dynamic AMOLED 2X display, also with 120 Hz and HDR10+. Reviewers highlight its sleek design and advanced display technology, making it a visual treat. Cameras. The S21 has a dual rear camera setup with a 64 megapixels main lens and a 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens. Reviewers appreciate its performance, especially for capturing detailed photos. The S22 ups the ante with a 50 megapixels main camera and LED flash, and reviewers rave about its professional-grade camera capabilities, especially for social media photos and 8K video recording. Memory. Both the S21 and S22 come with 128 gigabytes of internal storage and 8 gigabytes of RAM. It's like Samsung decided to play it safe here. Reviewers find this sufficient for most users, allowing for smooth performance and ample storage for apps and media. Connectivity is where things get interesting. The S21 is 5G capable with support for GSM, CDMA, and Wi-Fi networks. Reviewers often describe it as a reliable device for connectivity. The S22, however, takes it up a notch with Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, and USB Type-C 3.2. Reviewers note its advanced connectivity options, making it an overachiever in this category. Battery life. The S21 packs a 4,000 mAh battery, which reviewers say should get you through the day with moderate use. However, some have noted it isn't as robust with heavy use. The S22's battery specs are a bit of a mystery, but reviewers are generally satisfied with its battery life after adjusting settings, though some mention that the included charger quality could be better. Overall, the Samsung Galaxy S21 5G is praised for its value, vibrant display, and detailed camera performance, though some users have experienced minor cosmetic issues and less than ideal battery life. The Samsung Galaxy S22 is celebrated for its premium build, sleek design, professional-grade camera, and advanced connectivity options, though some users have had issues with the included charger and initial hesitation about buying from Amazon. So there you have it, folks. The S21 is like that reliable friend who's always there for you, while the S22 is the flashy new kid on the block who's trying to impress everyone. Which one should you buy? Well, that's up to you. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe for more hilarious yet informative comparisons. Until next time, stay smart and buy smart. P.S. If you're still here, you're awesome. Go treat yourself to some ramen. You deserve it. Product links are in the description.